Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Before our recent trip to Miami, we stayed at the Hilton Garden Inn at Heathrow Airport. The hotel is accessed from the short stay car park at Terminal 2. As we enter into the lobby, you can see that they were serving drinks and snacks on the left-hand side. The room was a great size and had been cleaned perfectly. There was a decent-sized open-faced wardrobe, which also housed an iron and ironing board. Each side of the bed had a nightstand, and one of them also had a safe too. There's a tea set available on the desk and also an under-mounted fridge. The bathroom was very spacious and had some very high quality fittings. We decided to have dinner at the Apron restaurant, which is part of the hotel. And finished our evening at the Runway Bar with a few very expensive cocktails. Many thanks for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video.